Hi, welcome to the new episode of Barbecue and Smoking Beef Short Ribs in a Kamado Joe. In this video, we will take you to the journey of making one of the most amazing smoking and grilling beef short ribs. They are thin Korean cut, marinated by my wife Saima, and grilled and smoked by me in a Kamadojoe SloRoller. We will show you everything in this video, so keep watching and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Going through the motions, I'm dreaming of the ocean as I swim above a riverbed. Life is so fraudulent. Towel off my guilt as I shuffle through the silt. Draw a line in the sand, wonder where I should stand. I don't wanna be the one who's loose with all the bad news. It's not mine to tell. I'm not a vessel, I'm a shell, full of dark matter with just a smattering of a warm glow. It's the only thing I'll let show.